Imagine earning money while sipping coffee in your pajamas right in the comfort of your own home. Picture the flexibility, the convenience, the variety of passive income sources and side hustles that 2024 has to offer. Ready to transform your living room into a money-making machine? Let's dive in. Before diving into the world of at-home earning, identify your skills and interests. It's crucial to unveil what you're good at and what sparks your passion. Maybe you're a wizard with words or a maestro of melodies. Perhaps tech is your territory or design is your domain. These skills and interests can be transformed into profitable ventures. Think freelance services or digital product creation. The opportunities are endless. Remember, the first step to successful money-making from home is knowing what you can offer. With your skills and interests in mind, it's time to explore money-making opportunities. The digital age offers ample avenues for income generation right from your living room. Consider freelance work, leveraging your expertise on a project-by-project basis. Or delve into the world of dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or creating and selling digital products. If you're inclined towards long-term investments, the stock market or real estate could be your playground. With countless opportunities available, you're sure to find one that suits your skills and interests. Once you've found an opportunity that suits you, it's time to build your home-based business. Start by crafting a robust business plan. This is your blueprint for success. Next, set up a dedicated workspace to foster productivity. Then focus on marketing your products or services. This is how you'll reach your target audience. Maintain a steady workflow to ensure consistent output. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with determination and consistency, your home-based business can become a significant source of income. Earning money from home is more than a dream, it can be your reality. Remember to identify your skills, explore opportunities, and build your business. You've got what it takes to make money from home. Now it's time to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on turning your home into a money-making hub.